Welcome to this video, how to redeem a GameStop gift card online. So the first step you want to do is go to gamestop.com, and then you basically just want to browse GameStop and choose which product that you want to purchase. For an example, I'm going to click onto this Xbox Series S right here. So if I click onto that, you just review and see if it's the right thing you want to buy. Take note of everything here. You can choose new, pre-owned, refurbished, whatever it is, and then click on add to cart. Once you've done that, you can do additional stuff like add a 1-year plan or add a 2-year plan. I'm just going to skip that and go view cart and check out. So once you're on this page, you want to verify that everything is correct and then click on proceed to checkout. Don't click on PayPal right here. You want to click on proceed to checkout. So if you click on proceed to checkout, now you need to, if you have a GameStop account, log into your account by entering your email address and your password. Alternatively, you can just use the guest checkout, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to click on guest checkout. You can also create an account from this page. Clicking onto guest checkout, and then you can see you need to enter in your card number, but basically if you scroll down here it says add a gift card or promo code. So if you click onto that, this is where you can enter in your gift card or trade in number and your PIN of your gift card, and then click on apply. That will apply your gift card to your order, and then you'll be able to fill in your information right here, your credit card information, and then place that order with the gift card applied. If this helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next one.